Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our May kit reveals. Treasure Lee has 3 kits that you can subscribe to, or if there are any left after reveal day, which is today or after if you're seeing this video, you can go to our website at www.treasureleekits.com. You can check to see what's left and purchase that if you're not a subscriber. But the best thing to do is go ahead and subscribe so you never miss out on a kit. So I'm going to start with our scrapbook kit. This kit is $52. And that includes U.S. shipping. International shipping, we have to charge you actual shipping. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this kit. First up at Treasure Lee, we love flowers, so there's always tons of flowers packed in our kit. Our first pack is a full pack of Prima flowers. You get 12 flowers in here, and they're different shades of green, and they're frosted flowers. These are from their diamond collection. These are really nice flowers. Like I said, you get 12 in here. Next up is another pack of Prima flowers. Actually, all our flowers are from Prima this month. And you get 10 pieces in here. Really nice colors. Kind of a neutral color. You get some leaves in the back there. And our last pack, you get 12 pieces in here. Plus you get a butterfly, which is included in those 12 pieces. And this is like a combination of the first 2 packs as far as colors go. You get a mix of both. And so these are the flowers. Next up, we've got a Shabby Chic Treasure, which are some metal embellishments. You get like this wagon wheel and 3 birds. These are also from Prima. So these are included. You get a pack of rhinestones from Kaisercraft. These are self-adhesive. There's 100 in the pack, and they call these yellow, but they're more like a yellowish green color. Either way, they're perfect for the kit. Next up, if you didn't know, Treasure Lee has our own laser cut chipboard. We cut and sell our own chipboard, and again, you can find that at our website at www.treasureleekits.com. And sometimes whatever the chipboard that's included in the kit, you may be able to find it separately. All you need to do is go to the website and you click on chipboard, and then under each category you click on that to see what's available in each category. So for this month we have a doily, but the doily is a little bit different. Normally we have the natural cut chipboard, but this month we've got the white front chipboard with the doily, and it's the regular natural color on back, but the weight goes so much better with this. And we also have these lace borders, and yes, we had lace borders last month, but these are white as well. So these will be available as a set and a limited edition because we only have a certain amount in the white to sell. We've got enough made for the kids, but this was just something to try. We're not sure if it's going to stick around. So you'll be able to get the doily and the border as a limited edition set. All right, next up, back to our kit. We've got some ephemera cutouts for you, and you get these little 6x6 sheets, and you get 8 of these, and you've got different designs on each sheet. You've got 2 sheets of different butterflies to cut out. Here's your first sheet, and here is your second sheet. So you've got 2 sheets of butterflies, and then you've got 4 sheets of flowers. And these are nice to cut out and layer on top of each other. So you've got 4 different sheets of flowers to cut out. You can make some really pretty flowers, especially with these nice and big. You cut these out, and then you layer one on top of the other, and you use some foam dots, and it gives it nice dimension. But these are your flowers. And then you've got 2 sheets with leaves on it, and you got 2 different colors. You've got the lighter yellowish color, and then you've got your regular green color. So you've got 8 sheets of those, and then you've got some more ephemera, some extras to cut out. You've got these You've got this nice little frame here. You've got a few more butterflies and some flowers. And you've got this one that's got more nature stuff on it. It's got some butterflies, some dragonflies, some leaves, things like that. So you have lots of ephemera to cut out. Now let's get to the paper. The other thing about Très Jolie is we try to include mostly international papers, papers that are hard to get in the US. And this company is made from Poland, and it's called, who's this paper by? Galleria paper, and it's called Innocence is the paper. I'm sorry, this may be Paper Haven. No, it says Galleria on here, but I believe this is Paper Haven. Paper Heaven. And so on your first sheet, you kind of get like a little bonus sheet on your top sheet. So here's the paper. It's nice and springy. It's almost kind of neutral with a little bit of color, so you can make it nice and springy, masculine or feminine. You've got some doilies here. Here's the back sheet, which is pretty colorless. And I like paper like this because you can do so much with it. It doesn't have very big graphics on it, so it'd be nice for cards, wedding cards, Mother's Day cards. Just really nice, simple papers. And you get 6 sheets in here. Here's some with a little added extra color across the top. Nice, simple damask design on the back. Here we go, some more of the doily graphics. Like I said, the back is nice and soft. These would make lovely baby pictures too, baby layouts as well. So if you got a new addition to the family and you've got some pictures to scrap, these are just absolutely beautiful for that. So this is our scrapbook kit. Like I said, you've got 6 sheets of paper. You've got lots of cutouts here. And you've got flowers and you've got embellishments. So, and again, this is $52. That does include shipping, and that's US shipping. For international shipping, we will give you your shipping price, but we do have to charge actual shipping for international. Next up, I'm going to bring you our cards, tags, and more kit. So be right back. All right. Our next kit is our cards, tags, and more kit. And what that is our kit. This one is our most versatile kit. With this, you can do cards, you can do tags, you can do mini albums. Basically, it's a smaller scrapbook kit if you like to do smaller pages, but this is basically for smaller projects. And so let's start off with some embellishments. You've got this beautiful trim. And let's go ahead and open it up. And it's this beautiful butterfly trim with pearls in it, and it's kind of lacy. And this is from Prima in their My Sweet collection. And that's basically what this whole kit is going to be made up of, the Prima My Sweet collection. So you've got this trim, and you get the entire package. And you've also got a pack of ephemera. You got 27 pieces here. This is really nice if you like to make mini albums or if you like to make tags. These are really nice to give dimension, but they're also nice to layer under photos if you do a small scrapbook page, or even to layer on your cards. And there's 27 pieces in here. Next up, we've got a package of butterflies. These are kind of like the trim, except they're colored, and they have little O-rings on them, so you can make them as charms, and they can dangle off of any card or tag that you want to make. So another full package. You also get a package of flowers. There's 12 pieces in here, and these coordinate. These are also from the My Sweet line, so they coordinate perfectly with the embellishments and the paper in the kit. You're also going to get this 8x8 pad, and you're going to get the full pad. It's got 30 sheets, so it's got 6 designs, and you get 5 sheets of each, which is also great, again, if you're making like a mini album or something. And let's look at the paper. This first sheet It's a bunch of ephemera type sheet, and the back has got the roses on it, and you get 5 sheets of that. Our next one is this butterfly sheet. Really pretty. And the back of it's got polka dots on it. Another one is this ephemera sheet here. And the back side of that, you've got more roses. It's just very pretty, very vintagey. Here you've got some cards to cut out, and they're all kind of sewing thing. But on the back side, you've got regular paper to use, and because you've got 5 sheets, you can use some of the front sheets and then some of the back sheets. Here's another pretty sheet. And the back side of that is a pretty nice green. And your next sheet, your last sheet, is this one. And the back side has got some pink and white polka dots on it. So you have 30 sheets of that. And then we're also throwing in some cardstock too. Just white cardstock. You have 4 sheets of some textured white cardstock to go along with this to help you along whether you want to make your cards and use this as your base. How about using this as your base and using this and making an explosion box? How pretty would that be with this? And to give that to someone who especially is like a seamstress or someone who likes to sew, it would be a beautiful project to give them. So this is our cards, tags, and more kit. This kit is $42. That does include shipping. And again, it can be found on our website at www.treasurelikits.com. And again, for international, we have to charge exact shipping. So we're moving on to our third kit, which is going to be our mixed media kit. So stay right there. Okay, so our last kit is our mixed media kit. This kit is $47, and again, that does include shipping, US only. Again, I have to say international, we actually have to charge actual shipping. So the premise behind our mixed media kit is it's a kit that has mediums in it, but it also has a project, so it's a standalone kit. You're not just getting some mediums and then have to figure out what to use them on. We give you a project and the mediums, so as soon as you open the box, this kit is ready to go. You can go ahead and work on it. And while I'm at it, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe and hit the bell below so you'll notified when all our videos go up, because our design team works with all our kids and we do step-by-step videos of how we use just the items in the kit. So if you subscribe and you want to use just the items in the kit, if you don't have a big stash, we show you how to do that. So now getting back to the mixed media kit. To start off with, we've got a Royal Damask mini stencil in here, very pretty. And for our mediums this month, we've got new from the Crafters Workshop, and this is their stencil butter. CHA was virtual this year, or Craft and Hobby Association. It was virtual, and Crafters Workshop showed off the stencil butter. So these are new, and we picked some colors for you, and we're going to go you'll see a video on how to use these, but here's your colors. Fuchsia. We got a sterling silver modeling paste. And we got a orchid stencil butter. Having trouble pronouncing things today. So those are the mediums in the kit. You've got a mask, and from Treasure Lee, again, like I said, we cut our chipboard. You've got 2 tags here, 2 oversized tags at that to create with. You've also got 2 separate sheets of rice paper, which is a lot of fun to work with. I especially love this one with our colors. How about putting that on the tag and stenciling over that and adding to that? So you've got, and then the other one is just a regular like newspaper type rice paper. And the best thing about this is if you don't know how to use it, we'll show you how to use it, but you can put it on here. You can adhere it with, I like to use a gloss gel medium, but instead of cutting the edges, I like to wet it and tear it so it gives it like a little bit of a frayed edge. But that's one way you can use rice paper. What else you have included are these 2 acetate sheets, and you'll notice that they're frosted on one side. These are like the old shrinky dinks that we used to get. You can die cut these. So you have a die cut flower, you can die cut these, and then you heat it and it'll shrink, and you can put that flower together and it'll hold together, and you can color this with alcohol inks. We've had alcohol inks in our past kit, and that's the whole purpose, to help you build up your mediums. So we've had alcohol inks in past kits. I think if you put a little clear gesso on these after you're done heating it, you can go ahead and use some of your Lindy shakers with water. We just had some of those in the past kit too. So you should be able to use multi-mediums on this, but these are going to be fun. I can't wait to use these. And like I said, there'll probably be a video on how to use these sheets. So this has been our mixed media kit. Like I said, this kit is $47. That includes shipping. International is separate again, but everything can be found, even some of our past kits, whatever's available can be found on our website at www.treasurelykits.com. Come on by, check out our blog. Make sure you sign up for our newsletter there, because we send out our newsletter when we reveal kits. If you're a subscriber, you get the early reveal. Also, we send out notifications when we add new chipboard to the store as well. So make sure you're signed up at our website, and thanks for watching. Bye.